Let's talk about Tabatas. They are a wonderful way to put a lot of work on your muscles in a short amount of time. One of my favorite strategies to go to if I'm feeling crunched for time in the gym. I'm going to accomplish a lot of work even in doing 3 exercises, because each Tabata is going to be 4 minutes long. So Tabata his name is Dr. Tabata, right? He worked with the Japanese speed skaters a while ago. And he came up with this philosophy that would improve their cardiovascular ability, their strength, their endurance, and it's rough, I'll tell you that, but it's powerful. So here it is, 4 minutes, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off. So you do that 8 times, it adds up to 4 minutes. So that means, let's do some math. If I tell you to do a half a Tabata, that's 2 minutes, which is 4 sets of the 20-10, 20-10, 20-10, 20-10. You following? All right, so here's how it works. In the 20 seconds, now this applies to lifting. Cardio, you're gonna go full bore, everything you got, full intensity. In lifting, I want you to follow a 2-to-2 tempo. 2-to-2 tempo is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Really accentuating the eccentric. This is eccentric because my shoulder is stretched, and the concentric part, that's where my shoulder is contracted. Okay, so you're really coming to a concrete stop. You don't bounce, you don't use gravity. You are mentally connecting to those muscles, picturing those fibers contracting and extending, contracting and extending. If you are following a 2-to-2 tempo, you should get anywhere from 8 to 10 reps in that 20-second time frame. It's not about hitting a certain number of reps though, so please don't overstress it. Just watch the clock. If there's not one on the wall, you need to bring your own clock or put something on the floor. Just depends, okay? But you need to somehow figure out how to keep track of my time. I usually am in a gym that has a clock on the wall. If not, I will sacrifice my music, put my phone on the ground so it doesn't disturb me, and I'll put it on stopwatch counting up so I can just watch the time climb, and then when it hits 20, I'm done lifting. I rest for 10 seconds. When it hits 30, I'm lifting. 2-to-2 tempo. When it hits 50, rest for 10 seconds. When it hits 1 minute, I'm lifting. I think you're getting the point. So you should hit 8 to 10 reps, keep it smooth. If you want to try, like towards the end, maybe minute 3, those final 2 sets, set 7 and 8, maybe you do try a 1-to-1 tempo. Maybe you just start busting, boof, 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 that's fine. The key thing is you're probably going to need to drop weight. I mean, if you can do it, maybe start your weight a little bit lower and then have a goal to remain consistent weight the whole time, but you're gonna get really fatigued really quickly because you're not getting enough time rest to regenerate ATP. ATP is the energy that is needed in the muscle to do some work. It gets depleted with every set. It goes woo, and then you need time for it to go woo. That's called chemistry. It's called the Krebs cycle. Okay, it's really fun, but we're not going to go into it deep here. So anyhow, what I want you to think about is the mindset behind Tabatas. It's going to burn. It's not going to feel fun, and you need to push through it. You need to be mentally tough with yourself. It's okay to drop weight, but you do not rest for 20 seconds. You do not rest for 30 seconds. If you end up doing body weight only, that's fine. Do the weight, do the reps, finish the sets, okay? Literally, if your lateral raises end up being just like your arms and you feel so silly in the gym, I don't care. You shouldn't care either, because what's happening right there is you are breaking down those muscle fibers and you are building that up. As you power your body with the Power Foods lifestyle, you are building it up to be stronger, more toned, more defined. It's gonna look tighter, feel tighter. There's a difference, right? Between like a squishy and like a tough. So that's what you've got to do and the mindset you've got to have. Now you absolutely can benefit from doing a half a Tabata, and it's a great way to kind of warm up a muscle. So yeah, there you go. That's pretty much it. That's how you do Tabatas. I love them. I think they're great. You can apply them to any muscle group on alternating like left and right sides of the body. I usually, for myself and most of my clients, I will say, do left, then right, then left, then right. That means you'll do 4 sets on left and 4 sets on right within that 4-minute time frame. You don't need to do 8 minutes, 4 minutes on the left, 4 minutes on the right. I mean, you could. That's pretty out there. I mean, let me know if you do that. That'd be awesome. I respect you. So enjoy your Tabatas. Make sure you say them correctly. Tabata. All right, guys. Power your body. 1 meal, 1 workout, 1 day at a time. Welcome to Body Buddies. I'm Christy Joe, certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition specialist. Whether your goal is to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply get healthier, Body Buddies is for you. Here you'll learn about strategic exercise, mental discipline, and the Power Foods lifestyle. a method of strategic eating that will help you lose excess fat, naturally boost your energy, and protect you against disease. I developed the Power Foods lifestyle for people just like you. I want to see you reach your goals, but then maintain them for the rest of your life. We do that through changing habits and behaviors little by little. No matter how many times you've failed in the past, no matter how little you believe you can do this, I want you to know I believe in you. We start with baby steps. Those baby steps, applied one meal, one workout, and one day at a time, lead to great results. This isn't the quick fix. This is the real fix. You do have what it takes to sculpt your mind and your body. Let Body Buddies help you get there.